Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Shopify. Access your store admin panel step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type shopify.com and press enter. On the Shopify homepage, find and click the login button. If you already know your store's admin link, you can type your store name, shopify.com/admin to go directly to the login page. Click inside the email field and enter the email address connected to your Shopify account. Click inside the password field and enter your password carefully. If you are on a shared device, make sure the Remember Me option is not selected. Click the login button to continue. If Shopify asks for a verification code, open your email or authentication app and get the code. Enter the verification code exactly as shown and submit it. If you have multiple stores, you will see a store list after logging in. Click the store name you want to manage to open the correct admin panel. Wait for the Shopify admin dashboard to load fully in your browser. Confirm you are in the admin by checking for the left side navigation menu like Home, Orders, Products, and Customers. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password. On the login page, enter your account email and follow the reset link sent by Shopify. Create a strong new password and save it in a secure password manager. If you cannot find your store URL, search your email for Shopify messages that include your Shopify.com address. You can also ask the store owner or admin to confirm the correct store URL for you. For mobile access, install the Shopify app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the Shopify app and tap Login. Choose whether to log in with email, Google, Apple, or another available method. Enter your login details and complete any security verification prompts. After login, select your store if the app shows more than one. Tap the menu to access key areas like Orders, Products, Online Store, and Settings. To keep your account secure, avoid logging in on public Wi-Fi or use a trusted VPN. Always log out when you finish, especially on shared computers or borrowed phones. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.